Hello, everyone. My name is Diana Santibáñez, and yes, I am going to talk about the equation of numerical methods. Question one: how do you think the numerical methods courses contributes to your professional future? I consider it contributes to solving problem formulating and implementing how they can be solve from affirmative operation. They use mathematical logic allow to understand and receive numerical skill, improve my skill in this area, writing programs and solving the computers. Apart from that, programming is a really important field in the world of work, as well as properly using a system software to implement these methods. It can not only improve our computer and skill, but is allows us to be people skills that represent pillar in society. Question two. How do you think professional your discipline can contribute to the community and social? Mm, environment with the acquired skill through the daily education, using the acquired skill in their way to real life problem can be solved optimizing processes. Is it is always more practical to perform deduce affirmative operation and everything in relating to systems. Using computer together with technology means are within our reach. Implementing improvements that make life easier for people, reducing work, advancing the development of society. Uh, Thank you.